Last Thursday, we went to Petiti, and this is what we bought. Always wanted a red gumamela or hibiscus, so this is it. It bloomed. I think the day after we went, but it only lasts a day, and it rained hard last yesterday, so the bloom is gone. But we have another one starting here, and there are lots of buds. So this one is a the hibiscus from Lowe's. I'm sorry, it's not from Petiti, but from Lowe's. Midnight Marvel hibiscus. I broke a leaf. Oh well. I'm so sorry. I broke a leaf. So it has lots of buds. And then another one is this one is on clearance. This is a Fiesta Time Hollyhock, and it's a biennial, like the what you call that, the foxglove. So it has beautiful flowers, and the other one is starting to bloom too. It has buds, but I don't know if they're buds or seeds. So, and the other ones are dried up. So it's a good thing I can't cut it off because I'm not sure still gonna open or if it's done. It's my first time seeing a hollyhock. And then, oops, sorry about that. We also bought lantana. So this one is June's Pick and the Gumfrina. These ones are annuals, but hopefully they will seed and we'll have the same plants next year. And this, my rose cutting, it's growing. So I'm happy. And the other rose is getting more lush. And this is the bare root. I'm sorry, bare root rose. Okay. And dahlia, no buds yet, but our hibiscus has bloomed. It is the second bloom, and it's so big. So big. This is my hand. It's the second bloom, and there's another bud here. Tomorrow that will open because their flowers only last a day, but there are lots of buds. And then an update on the roses that I planted. They have new leaves coming up there. So it's doing okay. And then our red yarrow. So I'm happy that we still have the red yarrow and it didn't die when we transferred it. And the other rose is here. It has new leaves too. So it's okay to say that they are doing well. And then we have other gladiolus. 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 The same color as this one. Okay. And the hydrangeas are doing so well. Okay. It's the next day, and we have a visitor in our backyard. It's my first time seeing a skunk in our backyard, and I'm wondering what it is eating. But that's alright. It looks cute too. We have a beautiful hummingbird visiting us. It's so cute. It's enjoying the flowers. Our other hibiscus is also doing well. It has lots of flowers. See there. As well as lots of buds. So there. And this is the flower. It starts with a little bit of purple, more purple. And when it opens, it becomes red violet. Or is it the same plant or different plant? Oh, I think they're the same. They're just bicolor, or it just changes color. Okay. And I think there are babies there. Okay. Morning. Hello, good morning. I just want to show this red gladiolus starting to bloom. I thought we lost it because last year only one gladiolus bloomed here and it was red. And but this year the pale pink or pale purple bloomed. So I thought it also lost its color because all the gladiolus that bloomed earlier were all pale purple. But I'm just so happy to see that we still have the red gladiolus. And as you well know, I love red. Okay. And since I'm just walking, it rained so much last night. That's why most of the plants are uh, they're on the ground. And this hydrangea, the other bud is opened, or the other buds have opened. So, and as I've seen, the two roses that I've planted on the ground, they are growing faster. And so I've decided that the first one, the bare root rose that I've planted on the pot, I will also transfer to the ground for now, uh, so that it will grow faster. And they're all flopped down and they're all leaves around. Okay, I'll start planting now. But then also, I also want to show the hibiscus. So I've said the blooms only last for a day. So yesterday's bloom is here. It's done. But another one has opened. But it would be better or more beautiful if they all bloomed at the same time. But that's all right. One bloom is enough. Okay, so I'd better start planting. This is the rose that I was talking about. So it's been here since June 18, and this is what it looks like. So I think it would be better if I just plant it on the ground for now. And then if you want to change its position, you can just dig it up again. Okay. So what else can I show? So I plan to put it here, just here in between for now, that space. So this is our other rose. It has 3 blooms, but it has lots of buds. Lots of buds. And this is the red knockout rose. It also has lots of buds. So hopefully, since it's cooler, the blooms will be red because last time they turned bright pink. Okay, and my dahlias starting to have buds. So there's a bud there, and there's another bud there. Can't wait for them to bloom. Okay, so I better start planting. And this one, is a coneflower. It just seeded itself there, and some more starting to bloom. Okay, so I'm really going to plant now. So I've now planted the last bare root rose in that spot. So it really didn't have established roots it didn't establish its roots in the pot. So hopefully it will survive here. And I'm hoping because I like this rose, it has a dual color. So it's bicolor. And that's what I really wanted. I think it was red and yellow or red and um, or pink and yellow. I'm not really sure. I need to look at the picture, but it is a Broadway bare root rose, and probably since it's cooler, that's why the roses have more buds. Or it could be that I also applied fertilizer last week, and I'm supposed to put fertilizer again, but it's raining, so maybe I'll just wait tomorrow or uh, within this week. The instructions say you can apply a fertilizer 7 to 14 days. So it could be this week, which is 1 week, or next week. I'll do it when it stops raining. The ground is so wet right now. And I'm also thinking of transplanting or planting this on the ground. And then maybe just transfer it if I don't like it in the place where I planted it. And this is nearing its opening. This is the hibiscus that we bought. Okay. And there's another hollyhock that's opened. Okay. It's not so hot today, but it's cloudy. So I think it's going to rain, although the prediction is that there's no rain today. Okay. Bye for now again. I've already planted my rose. So my rose cutting, I don't know if it's a knockout rose red or a true bloom rose. I've forgotten. It's just that when a stem broke off and I just stick it on a pot of soil, and then it just grew roots, and now I'm just putting it here temporarily so that it will grow bigger faster. But I know this is not an ideal spot because it's beside our pathway, and roses, lots of thorns. So if it grows bigger, it will grow into the pathway, and will the thorns will be painful when it hits you. Okay, so let's just wait and see. I'll wait and see and to see what kind of rose it is. Basta red siya. Okay, and hopefully the gophers or the moles or the voles or whoever is eating our plants will not dig it up. Okay,